failure can happen on one day and the next day can be a success. And that is how life. आपके टीम में से कोई भी सुबह उठ के ये नहीं बोलता है कि आज मैं आधा अधूरा काम करूँगा. आई थिंक ये खाली पिक्चरों में होता है कि फर्स्ट आइडिया परफेक्ट फॉर्म में निकलता है.
Hi, I am Vijay Nichani, the operations head at VISL. मुझे बचपन से शौक़ था कि मैं बड़ा होकर एक न्यूज़ एंकर बनूं या एक मेरा खुद का पॉडकास्ट हो, मगर वो हो ना सका. तो जब मुझे सिप एंड शेयर टीम ने कहा that I have to interview somebody, I was really very happy कि finally I am getting my India wants to know moment in Vashi. And when I came to know कि जब the person I have to interview is none other than our youngest director and also one of the most liked persons in Vashi and my personal favorite, I was really very happy. And I want you to welcome Jatan Dodeja.
Hi, how are you?
Most welcome.
Thank you so much for your kind words.
So I'm so glad you could be a part of this segment of Sip and Share, Jatan.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
There are so many people here who want to know what the real Jatan Dodeja is like and the youngest director of Vashi. So tell me, how do you feel? How does it feel to be the youngest director at Vashi and what are your thoughts on the journey?
So I think the journey has been over the last 9 years. It started off with me going to the US for my engineering. So I went to Purdue University, completed my engineering in 2015 and then 4 days after I returned, I was working in Vashi. And
4 days?
Yeah, within 4 days.
Okay.
So no time to waste, of course.
So any surprises along the way that you...
Oh, many surprises.
Can you talk about it?
So the first surprise was within the first 1 month of me moving to Bangalore. So we had a branch manager in Bangalore and we had sales teams. So they used to manage the business and I thought that I will learn from them and then try and infuse some new ideas as to how to grow business. But within the first month itself, the branch manager over there decided to move to another company. So we were in a fix whether we should hire a new branch manager, but we came to a conclusion that I would act as the branch manager. So I was only 21 years old and there were about 20 people in the company who suddenly started reporting into me, and the average age of those people would be about 30-35 years old, and there were some of them who were 45 years old and I was 21. So that such surprises life keeps throwing at you, but those are the best opportunities to learn. That is when you really get to test yourself and you get into the water yourself, and then there's no choice, you will start to learn how to swim.
Yeah, I personally think those few years that you were alone at Bangalore and Hyderabad, managing everything on your own, that's really added to your personality.
Yes, absolutely. So I got an opportunity to get the ground level understanding of our business. I worked as an RM. I used to do potential se parichaya, where we used to go and meet new customers who we had no information about, and we used to just knock on doors in the industrial estates.
But I must tell you, the team in Bangalore and Hyderabad, they still have very fond memories of you.
Yeah.
So there definitely was some impact which you made on the team.
It's the first place, तो एक special attachment होता है, and वो हमेशा ही रहेगा.
No, but I'll tell all our viewers that Jatan is a very good listener. So that's one thing you'll really enjoy talking to him. So it's for the first time I think people are listening to him, I think.
Yeah. So maybe next time I'll host for you.
Okay, I want to know if there was any piece of advice you would want to give your younger self before stepping in this role.
Okay. So I think younger self, before I stepped into Vashi, was mostly the life of a student. So as a student, I've always got good grades, and for a student, the most important thing is कि exam में आपको कैसे marks आते हैं. And there is once in a term or 2 or 3 times in a term कि आपको exam होते हैं. So as a student, वो बस एक एग्ज़ाम के लिए आपको प्रिपेयर करना है. आप लास्ट मिनट स्टडीज़ भी कर सकते हो. यू कैन डू सम पास्ट पेपर्स, यू कैन डू सम एक्टिविटी वेयर यू ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड सिलेबस में से क्या आ सकता है, एंड यू कैन फिगर आउट योर एग्ज़ाम. But that doesn't prepare you for actual life.
True.
In life, every day is a chance for you to succeed and a chance for you to fail. And failure is not a very bad word. It's construed to be a very bad word, but really, failure is quite common.
Yeah.
And what I like, what I would like to share to my young self is that failure can happen on one day, and the next day can be a success, and that is how life is. So every day you have an opportunity to succeed, and every day you have an opportunity to learn from your failures.
करेक्ट एंड वाशी का एक यूएसपी ऐसा है कि यहाँ पे रोज कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है.
Absolutely.
मुझे अब 11 साल हो गए हैं वाशी में, बट इवन टुडे आई एटलीस्ट लर्न 10 न्यू थिंग्स which I didn't know till yesterday.
Yes, and
So that's
that environment that we have is wonderful, where
Absolutely.
everybody gets to express themselves, and कुछ ना कुछ नया पूरे environment में आपको सीखने को ही मिलता है.
and the team is young and energetic, so it's
Absolutely.
good for everybody. It's infectious.
Yes.
How would you describe your leadership style?
I think my leadership style, I like to keep it simple. I first of all believe that you should be approachable for your team. So I like to always have my door open, and people are always open to come in and walk in, talk to me. I also spend a lot of time going to people who I work with closely, going to their desks or just picking up a call and talking to them. So I like to be approachable.
And one more thing, if I can add, is your style of leadership is very democratic.
Yeah.
You let people talk. People are not afraid to speak in front of you.
Yeah.
So then that brings out the best in them.
Absolutely. I think it's important that people can express themselves. When I say something, and if I see
Yes.
that that person doesn't agree,
You are very observant. Yeah.
then I will try to ask him, why don't you agree?
Correct.
And and try and reason with that person, understand from him, take the inputs, because I think ये खाली पिक्चरों में होता है कि फर्स्ट आइडिया परफेक्ट फॉर्म में निकलता है. हर एक आइडिया गोज थ्रू मेनी इटरेशंस.
Correct.
बहुत सारे इम्प्रूवमेंट्स होते हैं, तो वो आइडिया एक्चुअली में एक सक्सेसफुल
होते हैं.
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में पहुंचता है, और फिर उसके ऊपर भी बहुत काम करना है आफ्टर इट गेट्स इम्प्लीमेंटेड.
Correct. And that's very important because we have a largely young crowd.
Yes.
So people don't want to be told कि do it this way. They want to be a part of the discussion.
Absolutely.
Any routines that you follow to be successful?
So as I was saying, I like to go to the desks of people and try and understand what their day looks like. I also try my best to do that often with the sales team as well. So I go on customer visits with them. Not that much to go and meet the customer, but more to live the life in the shoes of a RM, which is our relationship manager, or in the life of a person who works at one of our branches, to try and understand what is it that they don't have access to at any given point of time, and then work as to how we can give them the best information and the best tools to be taking the decisions at the customer point, so that they are empowered to be able to manage the customer. Because as we know, at Vashi we are serving almost 6,000-7,000 customers in a month. We aim to take this up to 20,000-25,000 very, very soon. So till our sales team is not empowered and they don't have all the tools at their disposal, I believe we will not be making the best use of the talent that we have.
I'm sure. And there's the same culture, I think, which Madan sir and Mohan sir also had built so many years back.
Absolutely.
So I'm sure when they see you all, they will be very happy to think that it's still going on.
Yes, and
The same way.
we always have access to them to bounce our ideas off of and take inspiration from
So
them.
the legacy continues in the right hands. So a lot of people also want to know what 3 tips you would like to give them as young professionals in their leadership roles.
So as a leader, I think one tip that I would first try to impart is that you can't do anything alone. You always need a team, because even if you have the best ideas, your team is going to be there to help you make that idea into its best form, and then help you to actually make that idea into execution. So the team that you have, really cherish them, create a very, very good environment for them to work, because we are all human beings. We need a space where we feel loved, valued. Another one is definitely कि आपको हमेशा सीखते रहना है. There are many avenues today by which we can learn. There is so many things in the internet, and if you look outside, there are business models that are doing fantastic in the world. Like आपने सब ने क्विक कॉमर्स के एक वेबसाइट पर कुछ खरीदा होगा, तो ये these are the real inspirations from where we can learn and set benchmarks. And there is so much happening in the world of AI, there is so much happening in the world of machine learning. तो अगर आप एज अ यंग प्रोफेशनल अगर आप अपने आप को अपग्रेड नहीं करते रह रहे हो, आई डोंट थिंक you will be able to stay with the pace of business. The third tip that I would like to give young professionals in the leadership role is that always look at any problem as not in its isolation but go to its root. So nobody आपके टीम में से कोई भी सुबह उठ के ये नहीं बोलता है कि आज मैं आधा अधूरा काम करूँगा या आज मेरे को मेरा बेस्ट नहीं देना. Everybody wants to give their best, but if the result is not coming, we should look at whether the process was the mistake or whether the quality or direction of effort that that person gave, that was the mistake. So as a leader, always look at the why rather than the result. कि why did the result come the way it did. अगर आप 3-4 बार ये why पूछते रहोगे, आपको पता चल जाएगा where you can improve to ensure that your team performs better.
True. I personally think with such values in leadership, our attrition rates have definitely come down, and I think it's mainly because of the opportunities and challenges that we are giving to people. So if you see our last recent record, our attritions have come down much lower than what they were. So people are really enjoying the kind of leadership that you and your brothers and the other directors are providing here.
I hope that continues, and I hope that we can create leaders who in turn create such environments for the entire organization. Then only can we reach our goal of $1 billion.
Absolutely. Any unique challenge that you faced as a young leader that older leaders might not experience in this journey?
So I became a leader, as I told you, at 21. I was leading
By accident, I think.
By accident, I became a leader of 20 people, and the oldest employee was about 40, more than 43, 44 years old. So almost twice my age. So I think one important thing as a young leader is you have to balance the respect dynamic. इसका मतलब है कि कोई आपसे बड़ा है तो आपको एक इंश्योर करना है कि एज अ लीडर आप उनके लीडर हो, तो आपको उनके साथ में काम करने के टाइम पे अपने पॉइंट स्ट्रांगली अक्रॉस रखना है, बट आपको सेम टाइम पे रिस्पेक्टफुल भी रहना है. तो दिस इज वन थिंग,
फाइन बैलेंस एक्चुअली.
यस, एक फाइन बैलेंस रखना है बिटवीन बीइंग असर्टिव एंड बीइंग वांटिंग थिंग्स डन in a certain way, but at the same time having the respect
and being right for the customer.
Yes, being right for the customer.
Right for the customer.
Absolutely.
So what did you learn from it?
What I learned is that as a young leader, first you have to build some credibility. आपको खुद कुछ परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा, कुछ अच्छा चीज़ करना पड़ेगा, तो ही आपसे जो एज में ओल्ड है वो आपको रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे. अगर आप एक लीडर बन गए हो एट अ यंग एज और आपके टीम में कुछ लोग हैं जो आपसे सिग्निफिकेंटली सीनियर है, तो उनका रिस्पेक्ट आपको अर्न करने का बेस्ट वे है कि आप उनके लाइफ में कुछ वैल्यू ऐड करो, उनके परफॉर्मेंस में कुछ वैल्यू ऐड करो. जब आप वो करोगे, डेफिनेटली दे विल रिस्पेक्ट यू एज अ लीडर. एंड एक बार वो हो जाता है एंड यू ट्रीट देम विथ रिस्पेक्ट एज वेल, तो ये कुछ देन दिस बैलेंस बिकम्स ईजी.
Very true. I think we could go on and on because there's so much to talk with you. But as all good things must come to an end, I think we'll take it to a different session with you next time. I believe the Sip and Share team is trying to have a separate chat with you on the technology bit on Vashi.
I'd be very happy to
so
chat.
I'm sure everybody is excited for that episode as well. Thank you so much, Jatan, for being a part of this show.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much.